Hello, hello, hello. Hope you all are doing great today. I am Rosaline, and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to the channel. Please like the video, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. Also, please subscribe to the channel so that it will continue to help the channel to grow. And to my returning subscribers, welcome to you all. In today's video, I'll be making the simple and delicious toasted bread. Trust me, it's different from the one you watched in the last video. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for today's toasted bread recipe. We have carrots, tomato, egg, mayonnaise, cabbage, sardines, spring onions, and of course we have our butter and bread slices as well. So here I combined all the ingredients into this bowl, speaking about the carrots, tomato, eggs, mayonnaise, cabbage, spring onions, and sardines. Then I also added a bit of black pepper to give it some spice. And you know, without the bread slices, there is no toasted bread. So here I am buttering my slices of bread, and you can add as little or as much butter as you so desire. And please, if you've watched this video up to this point, please subscribe. Support your girl. I really need your support. Thank you. So here I'm just oiling the toasting machine, and you know the essence of oiling the toasting machine is to prevent the bread from sticking to the machine. Then I am also preheating the toasting machine. Now, speaking about preheating, I think it depends on the kind of toasting machine you have. There are some toasting machines that require preheating before usage, while there are others that might not need to be preheated. So it just depends on the kind of toasting machine you have. here I'm putting my filling on the slices of bread, and then I'm covering the filling with another slice of bread, making it into a sandwich. So now the toasted bread is ready. It took about 10 minutes for this bread to get toasted. And speaking about time, I think it depends on the kind of toasting machine you have again. Some toasting machines will toast the bread for less the time, while other toasting machines will require more time, to toast the bread. So it just depends on the kind of toasting machine that you have. And again, because my bread slices were, slightly longer than the bread rack, that's why the bottom part is looking that way. And so what I simply did was to cut out the edges and make them look better. So my lovely viewers, what do you think about this toasted bread recipe? Do you think it is something you would like to try? Have you tried it before? Just tell me what you think in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like the video, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you will know whenever I post new videos. And please subscribe to the channel. Your support really means the whole world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.